Welcome back to the channel. And yes, I was out again today with the DJI Mini 2 that I bought from a work colleague's friend. I've only used it a couple of times. It's like new. So first off, Phil and Anne, friends, are up the snow with their camper van, and this is the app you should use. Now, I downloaded the first app that came up when I searched for a flying app for this, and it's actually a non-genuine DJI app. So with the correct app installed, everything makes sense now, because previously all the tutorials showed a different screen, and all I wanted to do was get the basics on using this, and the tutorials have been brilliant. So what I wanted to do was use the quick shot option. What it does is it's basically predetermined 4 loops around a subject where you highlight an area, be it yourself, top of a hill say, or an object, like here today, a bridge at Belhaven. So once you've got the drone airborne, you set it up at the height you want, and then you select the quick shot option of 4 different circles and altitudes. It goes up and down, and then once it starts, it counts down, it starts, it switches on the camera, and then when it's finished, it switches off the camera and returns to the original position. So it's really clever. So this is exactly what I want for my films, just something I can put up for like a 20 to 30 second bit of film to drop into an 8-10 minute film. I don't want to make drone films, I just want to have a drone in my films just to add a view of the landscape where I am, or something there like a building or a castle or something. So while this drone doesn't have a follow me option, which would be cool for on the motorbike or jeep or cycling, I can park on a hill or beside an old building or something, and I can just set it up as long as it's above whatever I'm filming, and it can safely do its 360. It's just something different to add in at my films, just keep things interesting. So once home, I worked out that if I was closer to, say, the bridge, you would see further afield all the surrounding landscape. So I'll need to remember that if I'm out filming on a hilltop, I don't need to go that high up, but if I want to go around say an old castle or a tower or something, you need to have it just above the height of it, just for safety, and then that way you can it'll circle right round it and film. Remember, this drone doesn't have anti-collision. But this is the Helix, which I actually really like. It's quite cool, it goes up and comes back down. But what an amazing bit of technology for the cost. You'd never imagine you could get something like this. But just something to add into the films, keep things interesting. So while the quick shots do it all for you, manual flying will just take a bit of practice, I guess. I've worked out already, you've got to be really slow turning it round. It's quite sensitive, the controls, just the tiniest. Like a real aircraft, there's an old biplane that I've been up in, was like that. You only moved the joystick like a centimetre left or right. without violence sort of turning. But yeah, fast. Just a great bit of fun to try out and use. So it's something new to add to the films, and it's another wee hobby and interest to do. But yeah, we'll get there. Practice makes perfect. And of course you can quickly swap from film to take a picture as well. So okay then, this is a wee quick film today, trying out the drone and learning it. So thanks again for watching, and you'll see a bit of drone footage dropped into future films, not every film but a lot of them. Thanks again, bye for now.